Students gathered. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, and that is about the biggest study mistake you need to avoid if you want to actually pass your exams. And I promise it's gonna be way more fun than your last 4-hour study marathon. Let's dive in. Have you heard about cramming? Yeah, we've all done that. I've done that too.
Right?
Especially when it's a night before the exam. We just want to put as much information as possible because tomorrow is exam and we can't enter the examination empty. Guess what? You will forget. Overloading yourself with information a night before exam is tempting, right? Oh yeah. I used to be tempted to do that too because I feel like I don't have enough information. I'm not stuffed yet. But then it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. I would always choose quality over quantity. So try and reduce the way you cram and start understanding the concepts. What I want to talk about is lack of focus. And hello, everyone is a victim. And whenever I want to talk about lack of focus, the first thing on my mind is your cell phone. My cell phone. Have you ever planned to study for like 2 hours and then the phone rings and the next thing you just said, okay, let me just reply messages, and the next thing you've spent the 2 hours on your phone? It has happened to me several times, so I know how it's like, okay? So you have to learn how to put your phone down. Trust me, your future self will thank you for doing that.
Are you serious?
I was able to maintain focus in school using Pomodoro method because I noticed my phone was always taking my time. So I had to look for things to do, study method to use, and when I found Pomodoro method, I was so happy. If you don't know about Pomodoro method, you might want to watch my video on study method. Yeah, I talked about Pomodoro method and how to use it to maximize focus. The next thing I want to talk about is that students don't answer questions, and that is very bad. How can you be preparing for exam and you've never solved any question in line with that topic that you have studied? Back then in primary school, before we do any other thing, our teacher will give us problems on the previous topic. This would help out to know if we actually understood what she taught. But now you want to throw that method away. It's risky to enter the exam hall without solving questions in line with what you're about to write. From today, after each topic, go online, search for questions in line with that topic and answer. This will help you know how well you understood what you just studied. I really want to talk about this one, lack of organization. Oh, come on. You know the chaos. Piles of notes, piles of questions yet to be answered, a lot of things to be done, yet we are just sitting with our phones. Sit up, create a study schedule, and it's going to help you a lot. Write down the topics you want to study for the day. Don't just stop there. Write time for each topic. Follow it up diligently and thank me later. I want to talk about not taking a break, but that is one thing we love doing, so there is nothing to talk about. Bye.